Well, I'm on a roll today, so let's make another fucking video. When is a good time to repot your plant? Answer is, I have no fucking idea. None. But do I care? Not really. Where is one? I'll show you, because I can't remember. It's one of these. One of these three refrigerators was in something like that. Beginning of the season. Back in March. And I got these 4 weeks ago. 3-4 weeks ago, something like that. And when I pulled it out of that, its root ball was as big as that tote right there. When I dumped it over, it was nothing but root ball. That was it. So, it prompted me to stick them in these fridges. This is my Mongol Scorpion, Trinidad. And I did them all the same day. And everybody's like, well, this or that. Look, man, I'll tell you what my dad told me when I was a kid, when we would repot stuff. If you put it in a hole, fill the hole with water. Let the water set for a minute, stick the plant in there, put the dirt in there, if that's what you want to do. What I did was, because all three of these plants, their root ball was damn near to half of that refrigerator spot right there. And depth of it. So I just picked up the whole ball and set it in there and added dirt around it. That's it. And here before long, I left some room so it could collect water. But before the season's out, this is going to be full. I have a secret weapon. I ain't telling nobody yet till I do it. Or till I get close to doing it. So, really, when is a good time not to do it? I don't know yet. But I sure let you know when I do it, and I shouldn't have. I mean, I've done a couple of them that ended up dying. I've lost a bunch of ghost peppers because of the cold, and I lost one because I stuck it in one of my dishwashers. And I guess I didn't have the right dirt or whatever. I don't know what the fuck happened. It ended up dying. But now I have another plant in there that I don't remember what the hell the name of it is, because I can't see it from here. But I put it in there to see what happens. So we'll go round two, so I can figure out what I did wrong the first time. I changed the dirt around and did a little this and that. And as you can see, most of these have been repotted. Because 90% of these were in buckets. Or they were in the same tote together. The one in the bird cage back here, that used to be for one of my birds. This here, there's 3 of them. They were in a little bitty tote. Let me find it. Oh, yeah. This ain't got nothing in it. Size of that. All 3 of them were. And speaking of which, there's the tote with the other one in it. There was 4, because that's what had happened. I paid somebody to put them in totes for me because I had them in my little grow tent. And I paid them to move the shit around because it was a lot of work and it was really heavy. So, bam. And now this. Oh shit, I got somebody to repot these to where they're in single totes now. There are still some that are root bound that I haven't transplanted yet. That's one of them right there, the 7-pot Jonah. This one here, I think there's something wrong with it. Either over fertilization or something. Fuck, I don't know. And I haven't done it yet. But I'm hoping to get it done before the cold weather sets in. If not, I'm just going to cut them back and scoot all these together. But I'm going to do it all the way up until December. Or right before, the last time will probably be right before the frost. A couple weeks. So, I hope that answered your question. Because it's working for me. And this has been started since January of this year, repotting. Most of these are 2 and 3 years old. Every week I do what I can. So, thanks for stopping by.